Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 1281 Fox Court here in Titusville. And I wanted to take you on a quick tour of this amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. It has a formal living room area. Nice, huge, wide entryway. Formal dining area. As we go down the hallway here, we go into this nice open concept kitchen so we can see right out into our family room. Tons and tons of cabinets, beautiful new fridge, and as you can see, goes right into that dining room area. So if you are the person who has to host those Thanksgiving dinners, easy access. So we have bedroom number 1 here, and this one has this convenient little pocket door which goes into your first full bathroom. Sorry, little flashes of me in the mirror, wasn't trying for that. We do have a full working fireplace. Again, nice open concept, little bar area on the side. Going into the primary bedroom, we got a huge primary bedroom, nice walk-in closet. We have a tub and we have a separate shower. Got double sinks. Super nice primary. And then it goes right out into that patio area as well. And folks, just since we are already here, we're going to go ahead and step out into the patio area so that you can see that this patio runs the entire full length of the back of the house, so plenty of space there. We do have an in-ground spa there, so it bubbles, it heats, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then check out all these paths, backyard's super nice. Let's see if I can zoom in real quick here so you can see you've got a fire pit area there, all paved around it with those little pavers. We've got a nice patio. Got some ceiling fans. And we're going to cruise right back into the house here, folks. You can see we've got some built-ins over on the side. And better look at this bar area, trying to keep me out of it. Got our inside laundry. Tons and tons of shelving there. And then our third full bath, double sinks in this one again, and that has a door going out to the patio area, which is super nice for the spa. And we've got the bedroom, got some shelving above the closet, so extra storage space. Can never have enough storage space, can we, folks? That is in both of these side bedrooms. And up here, take a quick peek out into the garage. You can see the garage. So we got a nice sized garage. Floor is pretty. It's got a sink. It's got this extra step up over here, so you do have some room for some shelves. We do have a newer AC, newer roof, all within the last couple of years. Got a 2025 refrigerator, so that is gorgeous. And folks, I again am at 1281 Fox Court here in Titusville, Florida. I would love to show you this house in person. If you want to give me a call or shoot me a text, my number is 321-480-7662. I'll give you a little more of a view here while we're hanging out. This gorgeous yard. Super nice. And folks, again, 1281 Fox Court here in Titusville, Florida. My number is 321-480-7662. I would love to be your favorite Space Coast realtor, and I would love to show you this gorgeous listing of mine in person. So don't hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a text. Again, 321-480-7662. And by the way, nice, pretty sunny sky for any of you people up north. I am out here in shorts and a t-shirt, feeling really good about this weather. Thanks so much. By the way, it is March 2nd. Have a great day. Bye-bye.